Hey guys, Happy New Year's. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my new wallet. It's a wallet that I've been wanting to get for a little while. I've had two previously, but this one is a little bit more special for me. Blue is my favorite color, so this one happened to be blue and it was perfect. It is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Cobalt pocket organizer. Blue, super nice, super beautiful. I don't normally carry a lot of accessories or wear jewelry. Pretty much the only thing I have is my watch and my wallet. So those are two important things and essentials for me that I carry every day. And so I wanted to have a nice wallet to carry. This pocket organizer is no longer available. I was searching for it on the Louis Vuitton website one night and I happened to come across the color. And so it was about 11:30 or so one evening on a Sunday night. So I called Louis Vuitton's concierge. Someone there picked up and said that there was one left in the United States, and the only one that was available was in Orlando, and that she would have the store manager contact me in the morning. Monday morning, store manager contacted me shortly after the store opened. He said it was available. I went ahead and made the purchase, and they overnighted it to me, and I had it the next day. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, show you some features of it, and show you why I love it so much. This is my third pocket organizer. I wanted it because it is small in size but yet versatile and essential to me. I'm also going to show you the color differences between the other two that I have as well. And so let's go ahead and get started. So a few years ago I decided to downsize my wallet and get something that was less bulky and fit nice and neatly inside my left front pocket without giving an imprint on my pants where it was showing through. Wanted something that was light and easy to carry and like I said, small and versatile. And so I decided to go with the pocket organizer, and this will be my third one. And so let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I'll show you around. I'll show you what I love so much about it. So here's the receipt for it. It was from the store in Orlando. This price on it is $370 plus tax. Nice little box. It also comes with its own little dust cover. And there it is. The coloring is a dark blue canvas, and then the monogramming is a little bit of a lighter blue color. Stitching is like a light, maybe a lighter blue color. And then we have the Louis Vuitton Paris. And what I love so much about it is it's made in France. Some pieces are made in the US and some pieces are made in Spain, but this one's actually made in France. So much more special to me when it's made in France. And I guess the product code is at M30301. So I normally put my driver's license or my ID here, and I'll have a couple of credit cards. We have a slot here for where you could possibly put some more cards or your driver's license. Got a pocket right here and then a pocket on this side. Normally in this pocket I put maybe a $10 bill or $20 bill. I normally do not carry cash, but $20 is about the most I'll carry just for backup. The blue inside is really, really beautiful. It's hard to tell inside with the inside lighting how blue it is. So here in a little bit I'm going to take it outside and take some pictures and also show you some video so you can get the color in natural light. There's also a pocket here where you can put a quick credit card or your driver's license here as well. I normally don't use this at all because I don't want it to deflect or cause the canvas to stretch. So I normally do not use this pocket at all. So there it is. It's a beautiful stitching, beautiful blue color. I am going to get it hot stamped at my local Louis Vuitton store or boutique. I normally have it hot stamped right here. And there it is. So I would normally put my pocket organizer in my left front pocket. It's very discreet. You can hardly see any imprinting and hardly even tell it's there. Nice and light, nice and easy to carry in your pocket. I don't like carrying my wallet in my back pocket because I don't want to sit down on it and then potentially cause damage or excessive wear and tear on it. So that's normally how I have it. Like I said, it's nice and neat, discreet, and very easy. Okay, so these are the three different colors that I have. The first one I had is the black damier or damier noir, and then the one I'm currently using now is the midnight monogram or the black monogram, and then of course here's the new cobalt monogram. Very versatile. I like using them a lot. The first one I had, I put too many cards and things in it, so it caused quite a bit of deflection or imprinting on the wallet. And so now, like I said, I'm only using 2 credit cards, 1 ID, and normally 1 bill of cash. And with this one, I'm going to do the same. I don't want too much excessive wear and tear on my new wallet. And I like it nice and clean and flush and not deflected, where this one looks a little bit more worn. Monogram in here, and of course in blue. This one's made in France also. And then this one is monogram in blue as well. And this one is also made in France. And so there's the 3 different pocket organizers in 3 different colors. And I love them all. Okay guys, I hope you liked that video. I hope this was helpful and informative for you to find your wallet. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell for the next video to come, okay? Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.